Right, hold on. You might need to double check. Put that now. Right, double check just again for you. It's like anything. Measure twice, cut once. That's pretty good. So I'm going to roll with that. So I've got the blade, put the tape all the way around like that. That's normal insulation tape. Got a really sharp blade and I'll cut along that edge. Like that. Cut along. Straight as I can get it. Now this is pretty tough, the old turbo pipe. It's not like the other pipes. It's going pretty good. Go along the tape, nice edge. Done. Well, that ain't too bad. And then anything else, look there, just if the blade's sharp enough, you can just straighten them little blemishes up. That's pretty good. And then I'll do the same. Right, that's on there like that now. Now I'm going to do the same with this side. It's the same procedure with that side. Right, that's fitted on there. It's just some old clips. I'd have painted that one up. That's nice and tight on there. You have to squeeze them over. I just like licked them a little bit to ease them over. That one there, the one to the air filter box, I've got one of them clippy things on there which you have to use the them pliers on there to pull that in to bring it over, but I put that one on there first. So if you see there, like that I put on there first because it's easier. Then I've got a Jubilee clip that side, so I've wetted that. That you just squeeze. Anyway, you squeeze that, you get the gist of it. Squeeze that one on there. Once that's on there, then put this one back on there. I say the bolt on the Jubilee clips are usually a 7mm. That's nice and tight now. Right, that's all on there. That's on tight. So they're all 7mm. Right there, look. See, 7. That's an old hand one I got. That one there, obviously, what you're using, stretch that back, the air filter. Oops. Stretch it and then push it over there. That's on there properly, and then you need the water pump pliers to crush them in and then pull that over to go on there. Right, I've got one more hose here. This one, that's wearing through, so it's not much good. I managed to get the silicone hose, turbo hose. It's a 22mm. As you see, I pushed it on there and then just basically measure it up to there, like that. I'll do the same thing, tape it and then cut it with a blade. And they're all done then.